to celebrate the music of the Beatles. That's right. So, like my mate said, I've got the acoustic guitar here. I'd like to take you back now through the mists of time to a song that changed the way we listen to pop music. I'm sure you know this one. So please, feel free to join in, sing along. All that goes like this. Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. Now it looks as though they're here to stay. Oh, I believe in yesterday. Suddenly, I'm not half the man I used to be. There's a shadow hanging over me. Oh, yesterday came so